Hi guys, I'm so glad you can join me in spooky season today. It's actually not spooky season yet, but I wanted to do this haul because I wanted to show you costumes before you were gonna buy some, just so you could get an idea of what sexy costumes are. This haul is actually only sexy costumes, fun but not scary. I've always been the type of girl that likes scary costumes more than cute costumes. Believe it or not, I'm going to show you pictures later of some scary costumes that I've done. I'm also going to be doing a haul with scary costumes this year, so stay tuned for that. I'm pretty excited, but I'm also a little scared on how they fit because there wasn't really that many reviews yet for the ones I picked, so let's see how that goes. I don't know about you guys, but Halloween is one of my favorite holidays besides Christmas, so I might go all in. Okay, so first we have the Assassin. I am all for this one. It's a whole bodysuit with the separate belt, so you put the belt after you put your suit on. Very sexy. You can see everything from the side basically. I'm missing something. But otherwise, this looks cool as hell. I love it. Also, let me see from up close. It comes with a necklace. The zipper goes, you can put it all the way up, or you can open it like this. I like it like this, so you can see the necklace. It also comes with the gloves, both gloves, and all the bullets, like little bracelets, and the holster with the belt. So it's a complete costume. All you need is some boots or whatever you're gonna wear, sneakers, but I'd rather do boots with this one. It's pretty badass. I love it. This is how it looks from the back. Also, the material is very stretchy. This one's a small, and I'm definitely a medium. This is a little tight, but I'm assuming that's the reason, the purpose for it, so it makes your waist snatched. But you don't have to worry about it not fitting because this one is very, very stretchy. It's like a small medium. Okay, so this one is a little bit exposing. I saw it in the picture, but I still wanted to try something like Arabic or, you know, like a goddess type of outfit. So I did order it, even though I knew, you know, it was gonna be like this. I am loving the chain, the gold. So you can see this is very stretchy. The top is actually bigger than I thought. It's loose on me, so I have to adjust it a little bit more with like some pins because it does not have adjustable straps. But the bottom part is a little small. It's supposed to go on my hips, and they do not fit on my hips because my hips are too wide. But it kind of looks good there. I wish it just could fit lower because that's the whole like look. The Arabic look is like, you know, lower. It comes with a thong, the same color, gold, but you can see everything from the side. I will not be wearing this out. This will be just to show you guys some. I know some girls will wear this out. So, or if you're doing, you know, Halloween pictures, something cool, also, yes, but I will not. I just wanted to see and try something different. I am loving the chain. The chain is attached to the necklace and to the bracelet. It's pretty cool. I do like it. This is one whole piece. It does not come off like with any Velcro or anything. The bottom has a little hook on the side. That's how you put it on. You unhook it and it's like sideways. It is long. So overall, I do like it. I just wish the bottom would be a little bigger. I picked the wrong size, I'm assuming. Very God as a woman. This is supposed to be like a construction worker outfit. I am digging it. This shirt is a little too tight, but it does the job. I barely have boobs anymore, so I don't know why it's that tight. So it comes with a tank top, right? And it is adjustable. It has adjustable straps. The vest is separate. You can adjust it as well. I am loving the vest. I'm gonna wear this even with cute outfits, not on Halloween because I don't know why, it just looks cool. Comes with the shorts, which are very, very, very short. To the point that I cannot even show you my back because half of my butt is out. It comes with 2 strings, so you can attach the high socks over the knee socks. I don't have any right now, so I can't show you how it would look. But these, see it? They're like, you can adjust it and then attach the over the knee socks, which I think will look cool with then boots on top of that. It comes, see, these are like wannabe jeans. They're really soft, stretchy. They're not actual jeans, so it feels good. And then it comes with a belt with all the, you know, the little pockets for your tools. Comes with some gloves. I don't know what type of gloves these are. They're not like really worker, but they're cuter. And of course, with the glasses. This one is actually one of my favorite ones so far. I like it because it's very different. I don't see any girls really wearing construction fits. So I think this might be the one, but I might have to change the pants to regular pants because it shows half of my butt. That's the only reason. If I'm gonna wear it out or to a like Halloween party or something, I want half my butt out. But yeah, if you do get them, go ahead and get them. It is very short. Let's just say I did not read that. This one is cute as hell, but it is small. It says Bunny Squad. The material is super shiny. I love it. Shirt is tight, but it is stretchy, so I'm not that, you know, unhappy with it. The ears are the cutest, and you can actually like play with them. You can make them like, you can bend them, make them cuter. So the only thing is that the leggings underneath these shorts are very tight. So on my thighs here, they kind of don't fit. Like my circulation is supposed to be. Otherwise, the shorts are very, very short. So in the back, I love this. Yeah, this one is super cute. I know it. Yeah. Comes with a mesh both in the arm, the mesh in the bottom, then pants with the shirt, and the ears. So everything's cute. I love this. The ball, it does not come with a ball. This is actually my baby's ball to his little basket. I stole it.
This is Sparta!
Okay, this one is super cool because it looks like it's actually armor, but it's not. It's just a print. It does come out though, like it's like 3D if you see it here. You see it lifted? Yeah, it is 3D. The details. I love it. It comes with the shirt, which goes all the way down here. Then it comes with the little shorts underneath, so that way you don't have to buy any shorts separate for this. Then this is a separate belt with the actual like armor thing. And it's Velcro, everything's Velcro. The shirt has a zipper in the back. And it comes with a cape, which it is pretty cool because the model wears it like this. I would have never thought to wear it like this because I would have just tied it here like a regular, you know, cape. But she does like a little cross thing and then you tie it in the back, which is super cool because it adds to the costume. This is how it looks from the back. I would definitely wear this with like some boots, make it really, really like intense. This one's also one of my favorites. I like this one a lot. It's like very sophisticated. It looks very expensive. Wow, I forgot to put this on. That makes it even cooler. Like, okay, now it's complete. What? So let me tell you something. I've never known how to, you know, put on wigs. I tried and I failed, so I just left it like that. But the plus of this, you know, the costume comes with the wig, so it is a plus. You just have to adjust it here with some like little pins so it doesn't look too like. But this outfit is amazing. I don't like the wig. I just don't like the wig. It comes with little short panties. It does come with the socks already, which is what makes, I think, the costume. This with the socks together. It comes with a little necklace here with the, it's not a necklace, but you know what I mean. It comes with the bow and everything. This is already attached. You don't need any accessories. It comes with the bra that I'm wearing underneath here. It's like a little cami. But look how cute this is. Like, what? I think it's my favorite one without the wig. It is very short in the back. Let me show you. Yes. So this one, I'm not too afraid of wearing it actually. I might wear it just, let's take this off. Way better. I might just wear it like this and just make something crazy to my hair. Maybe just use some hairspray. And just so you know, these are very tight on my thighs. So I'm a thick thigh girl. But they don't bother me, so if you like are bothered by things like this, then don't. But honestly, it does not bother me. So that was it for the haul. I honestly loved everything. Tell me which one was your favorite, or tell me what you're gonna wear for Halloween if you already have something picked, or if you like one of these, if you're gonna order one of these. If you're a guy, tell me what your ideas are. I love like homemade costumes as well, so if you're doing that, I want to see it. If you can comment and I don't know, maybe tag me on something on Instagram. Just show me what you guys are wearing. If you already don't follow me on my socials, go ahead and follow me now. It's Alias Official on all of them: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I don't really use much, and that's pretty much it. I am super excited for Halloween. Let me show you why, because I've already decorated my house since pretty much August. I already have my Bath and Body Works soap. You already know about this. I already got all the decorations on top of the sink. Look how cute. Tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. Look, and as you can see there, you can see my socks are also Halloween. This is my favorite because I just love black. So that just, And the rest of the house, you already know I got pillows, I got everything, but I'm not gonna show you guys. Just stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing you my crazy costumes. Like the scary ones. Pretty much like this. Yeah, I am one of the weirdos. I am a Scorpio, so you already know how we have to be weird at some points. There you go. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you.